Fat phobia is racism. It's all the same thing. It's all the same thing. It's all the same thing. It's all the same thing.
Peace. I was sent that post by a black big girl, her words, with a question that I'm going to relay to you all. But first, a little context. See, for the past couple of days, I've had fat white women, their words, giving me grief for being fat phobic because I responded to this white woman calling this black woman a giant sloth by providing a picture of an actual sloth for reference. Y'all didn't appreciate the uncanny resemblance that sloth had to one of these two women. I ain't saying who. The whole point was about the visage, the countenance. Who's giving sloth up in the grill? But I digress. The question that sis asked me was, why is it that black women who stand at the intersection of fat phobia, misogyny, and racism, whenever those big girls mention racism in the context of fat phobia?
Talking about roots is not the same thing as saying the experiences are identical. Saying fat phobia is rooted in anti-blackness is about origin and function. Fat phobia didn't just appear out of nowhere. It was built in service of white supremacy as a way to mark black bodies as deviant and white bodies as ideal. So when someone asks me that question, here's what I say. Not comparing, connecting. Racism built fat phobia.
Fat white women shout them down and say that it's divisive, that it's somehow excluding them, white women, from the conversation. But when those same fat white women want to talk about the evils of fat phobia, first thing they do is compare it to, you guessed it, racism.
The intersectionality of this is all one big problem with the same roots and problems. And the system of oppression, the interwoven systems of oppression, they want us to believe that they're different things. We can't build a coalition to do something about it.
So black women talking about the intersection of racism and fat phobia is divisive, but white women comparing fat phobia to racism is inclusive? How? See, this is the part where I would normally say something clever to close out a video, but I'm not even going to do that. I'm going to just let that question linger because I actually want an answer, a real answer. Tell me, how? We out here.